We will start with a big breaking update coming in right now in the Karnataka abuse gate case. We're coming to know that in the latest, C.T. Ravi has filed a complaint with the DGP regarding Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar's role in his arrest. C.T. Ravi has claimed that in case of his arrest in Belgavi, the police acted on the instruction of D.K. Shivakumar and Lakshmi Hebalkar. All right, big update coming in right now, Republic TV viewers. And as you can clearly see, there has been a big update. BJP MLC C.T. Ravi has now gone ahead and said that he wants necessary legal action against the police personnel involved in his illegal arrest and for ill-treating him while he was in police custody in connection with a sexual assault harassment case registered against him for using a derogatory word against Minister Lakshmi Hebalkar. Now the story is taking a new turn now, where C.T. Ravi has filed a complaint with the DGP regarding Deputy Chief Minister's D.K. Shivakumar's role in his arrest. I want to go across to my colleague Smita, joining us live from a Republic Kannada newsroom. Smita, I'm coming across to you right now. And remember, when this entire case came to light, C.T. Ravi had said that there is a conspiracy to get rid of him by the Congress. There's a conspiracy, he had said. And now we see a new update coming in the Karnataka abuse gate story. Go ahead and take our viewers to the latest coming in.
Exactly. After a couple of days that C.T. Ravi and also his colleagues in BJP party met the governor and had requested the governor to interfere in the case. Now C.T. Ravi has written an official complaint to the DG IGP of Karnataka in which he has clearly mentioned that there is a straight away involvement of the DCM D.K. Shivakumar in the entire process of his arrest and the entire night where he was made to roam around along with the police in 3 different districts. These all actions taken by the Belgavi police were according to the DCM D.K. Shivakumar instruction is what C.T. Ravi has written in a complaint. I have access to the complaint written by C.T. Ravi to the DG IGP of Karnataka. He clearly says that the police officers were acting like supari killers. This is the specific word that C.T. Ravi has used to, complain against D.K. Shivakumar. The police of Belgavi were acting like a supari killers with the instruction of D.K. Shivakumar. They even tried to create a fake encounter case and, eliminate him is what C.T. Ravi has quoted. And he has also requested the DG IGP of Karnataka to take the necessary action against the Belgavi police and also against ministers D.K. Shivakumar and also Lakshmi Hebalkar. Now, all these days, this allegation was only in a form of a political blame game. But now as C.T. Ravi has made it an official complaint, we just have to wait and see will the police department take action against its own personals and also against the Deputy Chief Minister is the bigger question. We just have to wait and see will the DG IGP accept this complaint and will he move forward to give the instruction to his subordinates to look into the complaint and take action against the Deputy Chief Minister and also Minister Lakshmi Hebalkar and also the Belgavi police.
Right. Okay.